So I don't know if you're naughty or nice, but I do know that you need these Snickerdoodle frosted peppermint cookies in your life. You can decide. Either Santa gets them, or you can be like me and just make them for yourself. I have some delicious Finlandia salted butter. Definitely have your butter at room temperature. I have 9 ounces of sugar. Add in all of our spices and our rising agents, and we mix. Your butter will be a consistent color. Put all that flour in, and we're gonna put our egg in. Grab and twist, kids. Grab and twist. Push it all together. So you're gonna scoop out some dough, take a ball, and you're gonna smash it. Okay, so let's put these in the oven and let's see what happens. And you're just gonna wanna take just a little bit, cream cheese spreads, and then you can take cinnamon sugar, crushed peppermints, and Santa will give you extra gifts for having the best cookies on the block.